There's something written here.
Let's have a look then.
Oh, have you some business with the apothecary, sir? Oh, no, I'm not lost or naught, sir. I'm an apothecary in training, you see. My family runs a little shop in that. So when I heard tell of a medicine only to be found in this village, I thought I'd come and fetch some. But, well, as luck would have it, I've not enough. It will be a shame to return empty-handed after coming all this way. But what more can I do? What? You do that? Suppose there's no harm in that. If you're really sure. Oh, sir. Seems my luck's not as rotten as I thought. I'll wait right here for your return.
We could make the fruit robberant ourselves, or simply purchase some at Rune's apothecary here in Melv.
Ah, well met. Here for some fruit robe. Do come again.
The recipient awaits, Master.
Hello again, sir. Say, have you brought some fruit robberant for me? Oh, so this is what it looks like. Brilliant. Many thanks, sir. I haven't much to offer in return, but I'll be sure to tell Grandfather what you did for us. He'll want...
One could not have hoped for a...
Lots to do. How precious little time. I'll take any chance on my trouble.
Where will the wind blow me today, I wonder?
Well met, sir. Forgive my presumption, but were you the one who gave my granddaughter that medicine in Melv? I thought so. She's not stopped talking of her adventure since. That girl's always running off on some fool's errand or other, for all my chiding. Now listen, 'tisn't much, but I'd fain offer you a discount on my wares. Pray, make good use of it, won't you?
Good day, sir.
Welcome and well met. Don't think I've forgotten your discount now. I'll knock a few...
This is for you. What do you think?
How might I be of service?